Assalamu alaikum dear students. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College, Nowshera Feroz, subject teacher, computer. Dear students, in last the practicals that we have completed are totally based on the Microsoft Word using the Home tab. So dear students, the practical that we are going to deliver today, it's also based on the Microsoft Word, but in today's practical we will learn about insert tab. So dear students, insert tab enables us to insert a shape, a table or picture or a chart or other things on our document. So insert tab enables us to insert or edit any pictorial representation on our documentation. So dear students, here on the toolbar, second one tab is insert tab and we will press on the insert tab. Okay dear students, we will have to click on the insert tab. Different shelves, different tables, different pictures, kelp art, smart art, chart, hyperlink, bookmarks, cross reference, header, footer, textbook, quick parse, word art and other features are present in this tool. So dear students, in insert tab we have already learned about inserting table and you are also aware about inserting table, but in today's lecture we will learn how to insert a picture on our document. So dear students, to insert picture we will click on the picture feature that is present in insert tab. So dear student, we will click on the picture to insert a picture on our document. So here dear students, we will have to click on the picture. As we will click on the picture, different pictures file will appear in front of us and we will select any one of them to be selected on our document. So for example, there is a house painted in paint program and we want to insert this picture on our document and we will select this picture. Later on we will click on insert. So you have seen that this picture has been inserted on our document, and dear students, this is the diagram of the picture, and in diagram there are the dots where you place the cursor. The arrow shaped line will be appeared through which we can decrease or increase the size of our picture. So dear students, we will have to make this picture in small form as we can insert on our document. So these dots enables us to make our picture in narrow form. Okay dear students, you have seen that this picture has been inserted on our document and we can make this picture in narrow form or in small form as we can easily press or easily insert this picture on our document. So dear students, in Microsoft Word we have completed a practical based on inserting a picture using insert tab, and our lecture is winded up here. Your homework is to insert a picture on document and send it on our WhatsApp group, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Our lecture is winded up here. Be permitted till the next coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students.